In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close or cancel your account in monday.com. If you need to deactivate your monday.com account and you're not sure where to find the option, this process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along in real time. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into the correct account in Google Chrome, especially if you manage more than one workspace or profile. That helps prevent any confusion once you open the administration area. Start by opening monday.com in Chrome. Once the site has fully loaded and you're on your account dashboard or main workspace view, take a moment to confirm that everything looks correct. Since account settings are tied to the profile you're currently using, it's always a good idea to double check that you're in the right place before making any changes. Next, look down to the bottom left-hand corner of the screen and click your profile avatar. This is where monday.com keeps personal and account-related options. When you click the avatar, a menu will appear with several settings and navigation choices. Don't rush here, just wait for the menu to open fully so you can clearly see the available options. From that list, select Administration or Billing, depending on what appears in your version of monday.com. Different account types or permission levels may show slightly different wording, so either option can be the correct path. If you see Administration, click that. If instead you see Billing, choose that option and continue from there. This section is where account level controls are typically managed. Once you're inside, look for the Close Account tab or the Cancel Account tab option. Again, the exact wording may vary slightly, but the purpose is the same. Click that tab to proceed. This is the area where monday.com provides the option to end the account, and from there you can continue with any on-screen prompts that appear. As you move through this section, read each message carefully before confirming anything. Account closure can affect access to your workspace, stored information, and billing status, so it's important to review what the platform is showing you before finalizing the action. That's it. The key path is to open monday.com in Chrome, click your profile avatar in the bottom left, go into Administration or Billing, and then select Close Account or Cancel Account. If you found this helpful, you can pause the video and follow the steps at your own pace to complete the process smoothly.